For some reason, I'm about to eat this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss. I am a Colorado certified gardener and a lover of all things spicy. However, today I am nervous because I'm about to eat this terrible looking, awful, mean, super spicy pepper. This is a Big Black Mama. Okay, yeah, that name's a little confusing and a little bit, I don't know, like I don't feel great about it sometimes. It actually is brown. The pepper plant itself was a tough one for me. It only put on this one mature pod. It has a couple of smaller pods going right now, but it's currently September 28th when I'm filming this. I'm not gonna have time for those pods to mature and ripen. So this is the only one I got. It's Capsicum chinense. It's supposed to be stupid hot. Like over 1 million Scoville heat units, stupid hot. The pod started green, it ripened to this beautiful deep chocolate brown color. And look, I love the way it looks. It really looks awesome to me. It's gonna hurt so much. So let's see inside. Oh, why, interestingly enough, the Big Black Mama was a mama. You see it's growing, oops. You see it's growing another pepper inside of it. That happens sometimes. I will tell you right now that the smell coming off of this is terrifying. It smells super hot. I took a deep breath and I almost choked on just the air. Not a ton of membrane going on in there, not a lot of placenta. Those seeds honestly look a little underdeveloped. Hard to tell. Sometimes Capsicum chinense or chinense, however you prefer to say it, they have these kind of crinkly seeds that look funny and immature. I'll pull those out because I want to save those seeds and try and grow this again. Maybe get better results, but yikes. Do you see all this oil here? Like it is wet with oil. All of that in there. That's gonna be really hot. I seriously can't get over the aroma coming off of this pepper. It is clearly telling me, stop. This is not meant for human consumption. So, Big Black Mama, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. Right off the bat. Oh yeah. Very hot. Oh, super hot. There is actually some unique flavor there though. Cherry. Tasted like a cherry right off the bat. Oh my God. Very hot. My throat is on fire right now. I feel like I just drank a glass of molten magma. Oh. But flavor-wise, oh my God. Flavor-wise, very cherry flavored. Sweet, but with that cherry kind of overtone. All I can taste right now though is pain. I regret that. My eyes are watering. The exhales are nice and cherry flavored though, seriously. I need some ice water. Oh my goodness. Well, that's awful. It keeps getting hotter. I ate half of a half, so a quarter of that pepper. I'm very uncomfortable. The ice cubes really are just a psychological relief, I think. Man, that is stupid hot. That absolutely messed me up. Hottest thing I've eaten this year. Wow. Kind of wish I would have brought a yogurt or something down. That is unreasonably hot. Well over 1 million Scoville heat units if I had to guess. Every time I think it's getting better, it's not. My tongue is literally on fire, I think. Like, how is there not flames coming out of my mouth? Oh, that's awful. Heat-wise. Flavor-wise, it was really good. Let me try and talk through this. A little reverse blow. The flavor, like I said earlier, very strong cherry flavor. Incredible, like, tart sweetness for a super hot. I just lick my lips. They taste like cherry. And now my tongue is renewed in its heat. I hope this is coming through, but I am shedding tears. Like, that is brutal. I haven't had a pepper hit me like that since probably chocolate primatoli a couple years ago. I don't do a lot of super hots anymore. I'm remembering why. The heat has finally started to dissipate. I need to blow my nose at this point because it got my sinuses going, got my tears going for sure. Whoa! I used to think the only big black mama I had to be afraid of was my wife, but geez Louise, that thing is brutal. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and eat some yogurt. The ice water's not cutting it. That hurt. Like, that hurt a lot. It's cooling down pretty rapidly. Like, it cooled down a lot faster than it heated up. It took its sweet time building up to that heat. Like, wow. At first, instant heat. You heard me say it. But I could still taste the cherry, delicious flavor. And then, over the course of about 2 minutes, it felt like 2 minutes. I'm gonna watch this back and it's gonna be like 10 seconds. It felt like a long time. It just kept getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. That was brutal. I also really enjoyed it. I'm gonna grow this again because I wanna get a plant full of pods. That would make the most incredible hot sauce if I mix it with cherries to cut down on that heat just a tiny bit. Whew, that would be phenomenal. Big Black Mama, I shouldn't have messed with you, but I did. And oh my God, that was hot. So hot. If you want to see me eat other hot peppers, even some hotter than this, check out this playlist. If you want to learn about the jalapeno pepper and its incredible history, check out this video. Remember, even when plants make us regret everything we just did, they help us grow.